Click on the link below to get price. The Kingston FURY Beast 128GB, 2x64GB DDR5 memory kit is a powerful upgrade designed for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking to push their desktop performance to new heights. With a speed of 5,600 metric tons per second and a latency of CL36, this memory provides a compelling blend of speed and efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking and rapid data processing. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard DIMM form factor, and the modules fit snugly into standard motherboard slots. Upon powering up, the FURY Beast immediately impressed with its sleek design, featuring a striking heat spreader that not only looks great but also effectively dissipates heat, maintaining optimal performance even during intensive tasks. The black and silver aesthetic will complement most builds, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking to enhance their rig's visual appeal. Performance-wise, the FURY Beast excels in various scenarios. During gaming sessions, I saw noticeable improvements in load times and frame rates, particularly in memory-intensive titles. The increased bandwidth of DDR5 over its predecessors allows for a more responsive experience, reducing stutter and lag. Moreover, during video editing and 3D rendering tasks, the large capacity of 128GB ensures that even the most demanding applications run seamlessly without hitting a bottleneck. Another notable feature is the XMP 3.0 support, allowing for easy overclocking to unlock the full potential of the memory. This is a significant advantage for enthusiasts who want to fine-tune their systems for maximum performance. The stability of the modules is impressive as well. Throughout extensive testing, I encountered no crashes or memory-related issues. In conclusion, the Kingston FURY Beast 128GB DDR5 memory kit stands out as a top choice for those seeking high performance and reliability. Its combination of speed, capacity, and aesthetic appeal makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to enhance their desktop experience. Whether for gaming or professional applications, this memory kit is sure to deliver exceptional results.